welcome back to the YouTube channel Cryptoaxe. Hope you are doing well. So in today's video, we are going to discuss about the topic that is what is crypto mining and how much expected returns on the monthly basis you can generate from crypto mining. So make sure to watch this video till end and hope you will like it.
This channel does not promote or encourage any illegal activities. All contents provided by this channel is meant for educational purpose only. Trading is involves risk. So before everything you do, analyze your financials and then decide. We are not responsible for any kind of losses. It is very important to do your own analysis before making any investment based on your own personal circumstances.
So if we talk about crypto mining, there is no any kind of physical print of money like dollar or INR. Then how does the crypto comes into existence? Each and every country have their physical money, unlike crypto, which is being printed in certain amount as per the government rules. But as we all know that there is no any central authority between the cryptos and the government itself, right? So how does the crypto comes into existence? So it's basically just because of the crypto mining. Basically the process of generating crypto coins with the computerized setup is known as crypto mining. So can we make money through crypto mining or not? So the answer is yes. You can build the setup for mining and make money by generating the crypto coins. And what is the expected returns you can generate? So basically you can generate approximately 5 to 10% of the ROI from your setup, including your electricity and Wi-Fi bills. So this was the basic info for the crypto mining and expected returns. Make sure to subscribe the channel and join the Telegram group for regular updates of the market and free signals also. Meet you soon in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.